Hello everybody, welcome to the Average Trader channel. Once again, here we are again with another tutorial video. In this video, you will get all knowledge you need to create an exchange account, and I'm going to show you step by step of creating an account in Binance Exchange. And before we start, make sure to hit that like button and smash the subscribe button and leave a comment below about what tutorial video you want next. And now let's get started. So first, let's look at the top 10 crypto exchanges in the world. You can see Binance is number 1, and you also can see other exchanges as well. And you also can see Binance.us in the 10th position for the people who are in United States. So if you live in USA, you should go to Binance.us site instead of Binance.com. And don't worry, I will guide you later in the video. Why do we need an exchange account? Three major answers are: 1. To convert our fiat money to crypto. 2. Convert coins to each other, for example Bitcoin to Ethereum, and many more depending on your strategy. 3. Exchanges allow you to use leverage, which is similar to forex market. And in case if you don't know what leverage allows you to borrow money from exchange and go on a position. If you make profit, you can get all for free, but if you lose money, you will lose your money as well. But here is the tricky part. For example, if you had $1,000 and you go on a 10x leverage, now you have $10,000. Cool, right? But if you now go on a position and lose 10%, you will lose your entire money. And if you don't know why, it's simple, because 10% of $10,000 equals to $1,000, and that's all the money you had before you go on leverage. So if you lose that much, your account balance will be zero, and the position you had open will close immediately, leaving you with losing all of your money. So this is why it's not recommended to use leverage, especially in crypto markets, because price moves a lot and has a lot of shadows. So it is better to not use leverage, or if you want to use it, use smaller leverages. Now let's move on the next topic, which is stable coins. So in the cryptocurrency, there are some coins that are called stable coins, which their price is stable and it does not move very much. The most famous stable coin is Tether, and you might heard it already. Tether price equals to $1, and Tether widely used to buy other coins. For example, today Bitcoin worth $55,000, which also equals to 55,000 Tethers, or it is easier to say USDT instead of Tether. In the crypto market, most of the time we use Tether to buy the coins. So in the exchanges, we convert our fiat to USDT, then we start buying coins. And you may also buy coins directly with fiat, for example buying Bitcoin with Euro. But as I said, it's better to first buy Tether with fiat, then start buying coins with Tether. Now let's see Binance fiat support. Here you can see all available fiats. If you live in a country that is money not supported here, you need to buy Tether using other services, and you should only use trusted services. And after that, you should transfer your Tether to the Binance. And about Binance Exchange, as you know, it's number 1 in the crypto exchanges, and it has a lot of markets supported. And Binance lists only legit coins, and also it has a nice volume on its market. Now let's talk about Binance services. Binance offers 3 different platforms for trading. First one is Spot. Spot is used to trade and invest. In Spot, you are buying the coin itself, and you can transfer it to your other wallets. If you are new to the market and only want to do investings and don't want to trade that much, it's recommended to use Spot. Second is Margin. In this, you're able to buy coins, but this time you're able to borrow money from Binance from 3x up to 10x depending on the coin. And in some coins, you cannot borrow money to buy them. After buying coins in Margin section, you're able to transfer the coin to your Spot section, but you need to repay the borrowed money to the Binance exchange. Third is Futures contracts. In futures, you're not buying the coin. Instead, you simply open a buy or sell position with leverage up to 125x. And this is so dangerous. And as I said earlier, having bigger leverage equals having more risk of losing your entire money. This service is not recommended and you should only have a decent trading strategy for this in order to succeed. And this is the overall view of margin with futures contract. I'm not going to go into the details of this, and as I said, you don't need to worry about this if you are new to the crypto market. So now that we got intelligence about crypto world, we are now eligible to create an exchange account. So the link for the Binance exchange is in the description. Click on that in order to go directly to the sign up page. And if you use my referral code, you will get lower gas fees in buying and selling coins. So make sure to use the link in the description or enter the referral code manually, which is also will be in the description. So now let's start creating exchange account. So I have two links in the description. One link is for the people who live in the United States, and the other link is for people who are not in United States. So keep it in mind. So be careful, if you live in USA, you need to press the link that will go to the binance.us. So this is the link for the people who are in the USA. And if you go with the link in the description, the referral ID will be automatically typed, so you don't need to type the referral ID. If you don't live in USA, this will be the address, and in this link the referral ID is also auto typed, so you don't need to type it manually. So now we can go on and start creating account. First, type in your email and choose a strong password. And now press on create account and pass this, and now it will send the code to your email address. So you need to go to your inbox and type the code that you've received here. So let's do that. And there we go, we simply created our account. Now press on go to dashboard and you will see a pop-up message. This is the security verification to your account. So it's recommended to enable the security option, and you have two options to enable it. One is with your phone and other one is with Google Authenticator app. If you don't want to verify it with your phone, press on Google verification. So step one is to download the app from Google Play or App Store depending on your device. So after downloading the app, press on the next, and now you need to scan this QR code and enter this code manually to the Authenticator app. And when you want to log into your account, you need to actually open this app on your phone and enter code to the Binance login page. So now in desktop, press on next. So it's better to save this code somewhere safe so you can recover your authenticator. So now press on next, and now it's gonna send the code to your email address. You need to enter that code here and go on to the Authenticator app and enter the code which is shown right there. Press and submit, and there we go, we just successfully enabled the security option. So this is the overall view of your Binance account, and if you hover on wallet, it will show you overall, fiat and spot, margin and futures. We talked about these in previous slides, so if you have any questions, you should go and watch them. So if you press on spot, it will show you fiat and spot balance. If you want to deposit to your account, press on deposit. You have two options to deposit. One is fiat, other one is crypto. If you want to deposit with fiat, you need to verify your identity, or if you want to deposit with crypto, you don't need to verify your identity. So in the crypto tab, first need to select the coin. You can select all of the coins that are available in the Binance. The most famous coin I'll talk to you about is Tether. If you press on Tether, you have four options. One is TRC20, one is ERC20, one is BEP2, one is BEP20. Both of these are based on the Binance network chain, and ERC20 is based on Ethereum network, and TRC20 is based on Tron network. So if someone wants to send you a Tether, you need to ask for the network that he wants to send you, and if he says I want to send ERC20 Tether, you need to press on ERC20 and copy this wallet address, and you need to give them this address. And if you give him other address than this, you will not receive the coins and you will lose the coins forever. So keep that in mind so you don't lose your money. And I'm not gonna go into the details of margin and futures section. So that was all you need to know about creating account in Binance. And if you haven't liked the video, please press the like button and smash the subscribe button. Please share this video with your friends who might need help for creating their account in exchanges. And that was it. I will see you guys in the next video.